How to add Google Workspace email to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Mail Accounts. You can view all your mail accounts over here. And then, tap on Add Account as shown. Here, tap on Choose from a list. Select the account you want to add. For example, Google. Then, tap on Open Browser. After that, sign into your Google account to continue. Following these steps, you can easily add Google Workspace email to iPhone.